Gusto na hulog akong English sa Vietnam na alam ko ni. Actually, basta mga nato siya. Basta speak English niya, kaya sumpay na lang ito direct. One word. Tayo na dyan. Sige na kayo na-explain mo bro. Welcome. One word. English. Tao, bagay. Okay, sige, ikaw na niya.
Good day, everyone.
One word.
Good morning, everyone.
3 words yun. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. We from
Canada.
Sige, go.
Sa'yo.
Ay ka.
Please read ka. We.
We are together. One more again. We are in
Here.
But anyway, now, so this is part of the gusto ko sa taygamangan din. But anyway, before we end, before we end this celebration, as I have said a while ago, this is the joint celebration together with the Feast of St. Titus Braxna and the send off of our brothers integrationists. And of course, part na siya sa parts of the body. So, pakinggan po natin ang a short message from our SF Director, no other than Reverend Father Esmeraldo Refurial Ocan, for a message. Salamat.
So, good evening, brothers and sisters. Happy Fiesta to all of us. Happy Fiesta. June mentioned that aside from celebrating the feast day, this is also a send-off for our integrationists. 5 of them who will go to the areas very soon. They are Alvin, Johnny, Nelson. Where's Nelson? Nelson is sick because of Vietnam. Vietnam not good. Si Jolo and Junjun. Junjun will go to Dipakulao, Bulungan Simoy, and he will cut off the trees, all the trees there. Mag-iliga laging siya. Alvin is assigned in San Isidro, our parish. Nelson is assigned in very far. Nelson is assigned in Teresa. And then Jolo will go to Saisain. Johnny will go to Benito Soliven, Isabel. And then they will come back here in September for their CPE. And in between there's the CPE. This is also a welcome for those who transferred from the novitiate to the student friary. Yung mga nag-simple profess, Jek, Choy Choy, Jan, Binbin, si Binbin, and Toto. Choy. Binbin and Toto are now already in the immersion area. They have started their program in ICTC, that's why they're not here. And then, this is also our despedida for Brandon. Yay! Brandon is going to the novitiate, or he is already in the novitiate now. And then si Alex will report to his assignment in Dipaculao, in Aurora. And also RR. RR is now in Benito Solive. So these are the celebrations that we have tonight. I hope that this night will be for us a meaningful one. Simple celebration. And welcome, kay Kuya Lester from Rome. He was telling me that he can now become a tour guide and pilgrimage guide in Rome. He walked from end to end, from the farthest end to the other end. So, pwede na siya mag-ano doon. Gusto niya na doon. Sige, so, anyway, so, let's just enjoy the night, feel the spirit of Titus, no, inspiring us, encouraging us to do what we can do, especially with the people we are serving, yung mga mahihirap, no, the poor, the deprived, but also trying to always foster in our community, different communities, yung katotohanan, no? In defense of truth, we have to always keep that one in mind. So, let us celebrate tonight with hearts filled with thanksgiving and joy. Thank you, mga kapatid. Happy Fiesta!
Thank you, Kuya Do. Dalit na mo. So, ayun nga. So, of course, narinig natin yung message ni Kuya Do. And, alam natin na our brothers, the SF, ay mula sa Vietnam. No? And we are very happy on that, no? Virtually. Pero, pakinggan natin yung isa sa kanilang representative, isa sa aming representative na kung saan ay nag-share kung kumusta, kumusta yung experience nila doon sa gathering ng mga formality at formator. No? So, mabilis ito kasi ang tema po namin doon ay the challenge and opportunity of the social media and AI. So, in the formation. So, may I call on Brother Alvin to share, no, sa kanyang experience.
Sa aking pong experience, happy anniversary, June! So our experience in Vietnam is it is a very joyful one and very informative one because of a very challenging talks. There's a lot of talks, and we are so very fortunate and blessed because of the knowledge that we had. I think we are not just equipped of the challenges that we are facing because of the trend of social media and artificial intelligence, but more of we are strengthened of having this knowledge. We hope that in the future of the Carmelite formation, AI, as what we learn, be integrated in our formation program, as what Father Benny Pang have said, that, and it is also a reminder as what Father Benny asked us to do, Father Rico, we remind our provincial of the email that Father Benny has sent that is about the ratio to be revisited by everyone. If there are any questions, any suggestions, we collect them and we send it back to the Curia. And that is one of the challenge also for every student friars and everyone in the formation. We look on our ratio in order for us to be more equipped and participative in the formulation or the what do you call this, amendment of the Ratio. So aside from all the sightseeing, of all the laughters that we have, generally our delegation in Vietnam are very happy and satisfied with what we have. And we thank everyone who helped us in the vision, in the fulfillment of that gathering. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, Brother Alvin. And I thank you. Okay, so, kamu na po. Nilingkod na po ko. Dili, kita tataan. Sige, so, ako naman po. Ako na po. Sige, another one from the group. Rose. Dali. O sa imo nakatunan dito doon. Dali doon. Alin na. Actually, magka-group o mating Rose. Sige na, ikaw dito share. Sa imo nakatunan.
Okay, good evening, brothers and sisters in Christ. Happy Fiesta. Fiestas, all of you. And brothers and sisters, from our experience in Vietnam, very wonderful and meaningful in our life. It's because it is easy to learn and about the EI. Ito rin makatulong sa amin sa mga estudyante. Si Father Joseph, yung Commissariat Provincial, sinalisay niya yung paano gamitin yung EI. EI. AI. Artificial Intelligence. Okay, simple lang yung natutunan namin doon. Yung paano mabuo yung friendship Vietnam from the first day hanggang sa last day, nandun pa rin yung pagmahal at pagtunay kalagahan ng bilang isang kabatiran ng Orden ng Carmelita. At magandang gabi po.
What is the Tagalog of the sticky rice?
Malagkit.
Ikong pilit. You know the Tagalog of the sticky rice in the Philippines? Pilit. Okay, now we go to kung sa kahit experience ni Jolo sa mga pagkaon dito. Kuya Jolo? Kuya Jolo? Lami ba itong pagkain? Actually, masarap po yung pagkain, hindi lang natin naintindihan.
So, based on our experience in Vietnam, so we enjoy their food. So, but personally, because I am not a vegetable lover, so every time we have our meal, so I separate the vegetables and then I only choose the meat. But their food is very good, and we can really say that the Vietnamese people are very hospitable. So that is what we have experienced from our 7 days stay in their place in Nguyen Quyen. So thank you.
is from Brother Brandon for a short message as
Solid profess.
Your message.
Oh. Newly solid profess. Ikaw na. Okay, hawa na ba yan sa balay?
Okay. In the singing of the song, you also surprised me. Okay, on the spot, requested me to sing the song. No? I did not practice, so my voice was a bit in the not in the very satisfactory thing. No? Okay, so next time you tell me in advance. Okay. I'm Brother Brandon, no, Bakayanan, Okar, from Mindanao, no, from the province of Bukidnon. I just recently received or blessed with the solid profession of vows, and I really thank the Lord for that blessing. Indeed, the hard work, the prayer, and the unity in the community, rhyming, not the community, the unity in community was really a big help, no, in my formation days. And also with the help of our formators, I want to really thank, starting from Father Boboy Centurias, Father Erwin Mangmangmang, and of course our not so almighty Father, mighty Father lang, our mighty Father before in the novitiate, Father Dodo before that Okam, who helped us also in our formation, and Father Marlon Beredo helps also, and Kuya Noel and Kuya Joe. So thank you so much, brothers, for really being part of my journey in this, in the Carmelite way of life. No? Your presence, your inspiration before, your sharing, your teachings, your fraternal correction was indeed really great and helped me become a Carmelite the Lord wants me to be. And I wish you all a very happy feast day of St. Titus Bransma. And let's enjoy the night. The night is just young, so we can sing along, okay? Okay, stitches and birds. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, no? Thank you so much. Okay, sige, give me. Okay, for the visitors who are going out, for the visitors, sorry. For our associates pala, correction, sorry po man. So, please return the, please return. Okay. This is for you, no? Okay. Bawi na. For the associates which I already told to go before. Okay, you can clap your hands, no? People say that I'm a fool. Well, I don't know. These I found out what it takes to be strong. I was dreaming all alone. I just think that with eyes wide open, I would choose not to see. Now I do not see you. Daddy, smile, you sweetest smile. Daddy, you beg me down and please. Say good morning to the world. I hope you like it. Take good care of all those things that we have. I've been looking for a way for too long now. Seems like everything must come to an end. What's your name? I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to bear your name. Daddy, smile, you sweetest smile. Daddy, you beg me down and please. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be. Meron talagang buyo-buyo ng love song. Daddy, smile, you sweetest smile. Even if you beg me darling, please. I'm out of time. I mean, nothing that I can do. Knowing your grace and loving your grace again. Day after day, leaving the past behind. Coming to terms with stitches and birds and learning to fly again. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile and sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me down.
Thank you so much. Brother.
Wait for a while, no? Wait to get those.
Brother Alex, to talk you short message.
Magbuhat ang screen.
Thank you very much for that wonderful introduction. It came from the heart, I know. What matters is, it was your effort, no? It was effort is said. Thank you very much for the opportunity rin, for me growing here sa Titus, no? From the beginning until the end, no, of studies. Alis na po sila. Sige po, salamat po sa inyong pag-stay. Sige po. So, dito na lang talaga ako. Maraming salamat sa aming mga formators. Siyempre, kahit wala rin sila, from the very beginning, from the very start, tanggap sa akin noon, si Father Elaine. Father Elaine kasi 3 years ako sa aspirancy. 3 years ako sa aspirancy. And then, si Father Irving, Mama, tapos si Father Buboy, ang aming tagapag-ano dati, yung sa aming formation sa consonancy, processing, walang iba, kundi si Father Shelton. And then nag-move kami sa aming novitiate, no? Father Alice, at si Father Melvin. And then kahit kay Kuya Jess, Kuya Noel, and Kuya Toto, no? Si Father Marlon, Duredo, sa rin, no? What? Ay, hindi natin kinakalimutan. Ha? Hindi namin naging coordinator sa Kuya Jojo. Pero siya ay nagbigay sa amin ng mga seminars on and talks on how to take care of money and the stewardship, finance stewardship. No? Noong panahon ko, vocation animator noon ay si Father Irving. Tapos si Father Alain yung nandito ako. Kasi nag-apply ako doon sa kabila. OCD. Di ako tinangka. Tapos, ni-refer ako, tawagan ko daw si Father Toots. Then, si Father Toots, pinasa niya ako kay Father Alain. Tapos, yun na. And the rest of the history, Definitely, So, maraming salamat po sa lahat na naging parte ng aming buhay sa ICTC, And then, of course, ngayon, since alis na ako sa malumot ko, pumunta natin pa ko lawit sa another challenge, nakakalungkot din. Kasi baka mag-isa. Pero siyempre, di ba, si Kuya Van, supposedly, ang gusto namin talaga magkaroon ng community doon kami. Then, biglang aalis din si Kuya Van. Si Father Sheldon gusto niya, sige, pwede naman. Welcoming naman tayo, di ba? So, ganun. Yun lang. Papasalamat ako sa lahat at sa lahat. Lalo-lalo na sa ating Panginoon sa pagbibigay sa atin na buhay at later sa buhay na walang Opo, excited ako sa praise, no? Ang ganda ng praise excited po ako. Si Junjun, siyempre, hindi ko nga alam kung gagawin namin doon pagdating ng Jun, kung ano man ang mangyari doon, siyempre, yun na yung gagawin natin, no? Beautification ka naman, no? Lalagyan niya ng kurtina, yung mga puno. Kulay pink. Wala, joke lang. So, yun lang po. And maraming salamat ulit sa lahat na naging part of si Valerico, no? Sa kanyang tiwala mula sa umpisa hanggang sa huli na promote kami for solid profession hanggang graduate and then for the diaconate coordination. Maraming salamat. Kasama niyo yung council. Yun lang po. And thank you po. Sa mga nakalimutan kong pasalamatan, Panginoon na po ang bibigay ng katimpala sa inyo. Diyos na bahala.
Diyos na bahala. Okay, so maraming salamat po.
Yan, nakakanta ako sa iyo, diba? O yan. Kanta tayo. Kuya Baliw. Ayan, Espiritu Nubal, saan kayo pumasok sa akin, no? Espiritu Nubal. Ang kasiyahan na tunay na pagmamahalan ay maramdaman, lalo na kung nasasayawan. Awitin ba o ay naghihintay para isayaw mo? Sumayaw-sayaw sa itak na panahon, kasabay ng mga dapat tutugin kayo. Sumayaw-sayaw sa itak na panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka. Ngayon, ay mga paraga. Ito ay sa likod. Mga paraga. Sige na. Panahon natin. Nag-iba. Kaya sumayin. Masasayahan ang hindi. Narapat na tangkitigit. Ang hindi bago. Ay naghihintay para isayaw mo. Sumayaw sa ilang panahon, kasabay ng mga tutugin kayo. sumunod ka sa itakang panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon.
Sana yung mga newly profess. Simple profess. Ay, nangyari.
So, sa mga friends,
Pasok.
gabi natin to eh, di ba? Wala pa? Sumayaw sunod sa itak ng panahon, sabay ng tangan ka, tutulungin kayo. Sumayaw sunod ka sa itak ng panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon. Sumayaw sunod ka sa itak ng panahon, kasabay ng mga huwag tugtugin kayo. Sumayaw sunod ka sa itak ng panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw sunod ka sa itak ng panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw sunod ka sa itak ng panahon.
Mag-enjoy ka.
Ayan, Kuya Bahal, kung nasaan ka ba?
Maraming salamat po.
Sana kami may-inspire mo. Oo, buhay pa siya. Kuya Bahal.
Okay. Maraming salamat. Of course, thank you very much, Kuya Alex. So, isa. Ano ito mga bagong profess na brothers? Genuinely simple profess.
Nakasunod sila.
Ha? Asa na sila? Dili na ang schedule. Kasi simple profess, brothers. Saya-saya ulitin natin ito. Bukas ulit. Okay, so maybe our brothers from the Vietnam. From PNG. Pinjans. Introduction number. Presentation. Song or dance or a song. May brothers. One morning brothers. And brother sing. We sing.
You sing.
Microphone.
You
They
sing a
will
poem.
sing. Let us give them our round of applause.
Oh, Brian, please remember. Can be together.
when we're Come on. Oh. Kung sa pagkitindot ni Roche, nakatupong pang babae. Pang lalaki. Okay, so bagutan ko pa dahil sa unahan, no? Paminahon sa nato ang request nito sa okay? Sa Tamil version. Terakhir si Adel. Better known one. Request by Media Goods.
New head and shoulders every day. Save up to 100%
Lord, so proud.
head and shoulders.
This song is dedicated to myself. I hope I will like it.
would like to request Pip Pip.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Let us all welcome Father Christian
Don't you worry, I'll be there wherever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's your new loving you, I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I'll do the work. Ulitin natin ulit next year, no? Ito ganito. Babalik sa nila. Kapag yung sharing nyo sa Vietnam, ganun pa rin. Let me show you love. Don't pretend. I'll be right here when you know. Sing or swim. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause when you nobody, you I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I'll do the rest. Okay, ang favorite song mo. Esa, last muna, last. Boys Don't Cry. Boys Don't Cry.
ladies and gentlemen,
Okay, let us all welcome, give it a hand to Father Tunes. Oh. Baby said you have to be another, one way or another. Nobody needs me, that's what's giving me. So don't cry now. Don't cry now. Yung kakatong na masawa. Love is just a game you play in high school. Girls are all good, most of the time. Girls are cruel to be kind, so don't cry now. Oh, don't cry now. Have you tried to be cool, but you dance in a trap? Ang ganda-ganda talaga ng music. Pero and she said, boys do fall in love. Every time, they get out on a Saturday night. And Jesus' heart's beating as they dance in the street to the radio. Oh, boys falling down, boys. Mahina ng pahina. Parang gusto tayo magdasal lang tayo.
Dahan-dahan natang
Night prayer naman siguro tayo. No?
Okay na. Thank you.
Thank you very much sa pag-kinig sa akin.
Babalik dito sa Manila.
Yeah. Maraming salamat, Brother Toots. Another hand for Brother Toots. Palakpakan naman natin, Brother Toots.
Masaya po ako at saka perform ako dito sa Manila.
Sige, thank you very much, Kuya Tox. Karon, the presentation from our brothers, the newly professed brothers. Oh, last week profession. 2 weeks ago, 1 week ago.
Brothers.
Let us all welcome our brothers. Jan,
you're badly needed.
bilang mo isa, duha, tulo. Kulang pa Jan, at hindi duha ng immersion. Almost, binbilog si Toto. Palapakan ko natin sila. Dili, karoon siya ni kay. Huwag na, mamulakaw ni.
You need the microphone here.
So, among leader si Bitbit, no?
Bro.
But first of all, we would like to thank our sponsor for our sandals.
Ate Ruby.
Given by Ate Ruby. Maria. Paulo. System leader. PJ Janjan. Second of all, we would like to give thanks to all of you.
O, dyan na. Nag-iisa mo microphone. Ang third of all, I thank you.
Salamat, Jun.
So nagkapos ang tinda, no? Giuna man ang ilahan na, ipawahi ako. So nagkapos ang tinda. Thank you. Gagawin lang. Melky. Taas ka na. Melky. Dili, that's what. Melky ba? Melky ba taas? Tayo na. Mga na siya. Mga na siya. Melky. So, kanyang lead singer, si Bitbit, is our lead singer.
Tapos sila sa Claret.
Wow!
So, si Jan is going to be enrolled tomorrow for the philosophy 18 minutes lang. So, and then Jack passed and he will be enrolled in second year philosophy. Wow! Choy, first year philosophy. Wow! And Pit, Propedeutic.
Wow!
Congrats sa kanila.
Okay, so tonight will not be complete, no, without this person sharing also her insight, her inspiration, because this is a very wonderful person in our community, no? She is our sister also in the Netherlands. So maybe ask Sister Anne-Marie Boss to give us also a message for us. No? Thank you. A big hand to Sister Anne-Marie Boss.
I have no message. I can sing a song. Yes. It's a Dutch song. Yes. Yeah? Yes. And it's a song about asking to have a shelter. Can I have a shelter with you? That's another song. That's another song. No. This one is more serious. Als de oorlog komt en als ik dan moet schuilen, mag ik dan bij jou? Als er een clubje komt waar ik niet bij wil horen, mag ik dan bij jou? Als er een regel komt waar ik niet aan voldoen kan, mag ik dan bij jou? En als ik iets moet zijn wat ik nooit geweest ben, mag ik dan bij jou? Mag ik dan bij jou schuilen als het nergens anders kan? En als ik dan moet huilen, droog jij mijn tranen dan? Want als ik bij jou mag jij altijd bij mij. Kom wanneer je wilt, ik hou een kamer voor je vrij. Als het onweer komt, als ik dan bang ben, mag ik dan bij jou? En als het mij te donker is, mag ik dan bij jou? Als de lente komt en als ik dan verliefd ben, mag ik dan bij jou? Als de liefde komt en ik weet het zeker, mag ik dan bij jou? Mag ik dan bij jou schuilen als het nergens anders kan? En als ik moet huilen, droog jij mijn tranen dan? Want als ik bij jou mag jij altijd bij mij. Kom wanneer je wilt, hou een kamer voor je vrij. Als het einde komt, als ik dan bang ben, mag ik dan bij jou? Als het einde komt, als ik dan alleen ben, mag ik dan bij jou?
Very nice. Yes,
I'll will translate.
that song speaks of martyrdom and sacrificing oneself, for the sake of the other. That is a showing of love. And in Tagalog, that is bahay kubo kahit hindi ang halaman doon ay sari-sari. Yay! Benta naman ka Dinormi. Ang mahalaga mo benta ka Dinormi. Dahil po dyan, Brother Junjun. Thank you, Ann.
Thank you, sister. Baka gusto kumanta nito, One Bukidnon. We always, the one Caraga now, we go to the one Bukidnon. Sige, ikaw tawa.
Maybe Brother Johnny will give also a message in behalf of the integrationists. Then your song follows. Si Brother Johnny malayo sa pinagsabi. Hey, a big hand to Brother Johnny!
What I'm supposed to say? Alright! May I cry? Good evening, everyone. Good evening, and good evening, brothers. Maybe I will just, a little speak something on not only integrationists, but our experience in Vietnam. And first of all, there is also second of all after this one. First of all, we are actually happy and grateful for the opportunity that we, it's so much a privilege to experience Vietnam, and there were lots of learnings, partly on the AI thing, but perhaps we have already at the back of our mind, we have used AI already, but there it's integrated, and we also learn the fraternity from different communities. It's very good. The different cultures, we talk so much on the way they eat, the food they eat, and their attitude towards affirmation. Also, another thing, it was all were just new to us. It was our first time, and it was worth to keep. And maybe after the ISA, we will be sent to different communities for our integration, and pray for us, because I know that this is gonna be maybe a challenge, an opportunity, and also it may be difficult for us, but there will always be a grace from God that will help us, each one of us. So we will just pray one another, and we will continue to be persevering in our journey in following the footsteps of Jesus Christ and the life of Mount Carmel. Now, I'm done. Thank you. Thank you so much. Do I have to sing? Oh my God. What is the meaning of this? What am I supposed to sing? Taas.
The power of love.
Subject.
Ang galing.
Okay. Kailangan ifinger na lang, wag may tingin doon kung saan. Pakinggan natin ang mensahe ng ating mga trio tagapayo. Face to face. The quality of the voice is excellent. Sorry I did not turn because stage presence, hindi ko makita. Facial expression, hindi ko rin makita. Yung storytelling part, hindi ko makita lahat, so that's why I did not turn. Yes? No, it's a no. My brother,
Okay, the pitch is really high, okay? And you hit the right notes, okay? And the vibrato is evident also, okay? It's evident, no? Okay, very dramatic, no? You really exert your effort. But the chair did not turn, no? Because it's all ties, no? So it's a no for me.
No ties. For me, your diaphragmatic voice is very clear. No, the diaphragmatic voice. However, no, it's a no. It's a no for me. I'm supposed to turn. But they do not turn. I will not turn also.
You said turn away. Maraming salamat. Ano ito sa face-to-face? Hawak ng tanggalan.
Sige, yes. Challenge. Meron pang isa. Challenge na mo, kanta daw. Okay. Kanta si Lolo. Sige. Okay. Ayan. Malapakan natin si Kuya Sheldon. Ayan ka. Sige. Baliktad yung tuyok. Dito ka tuman. Dutch song. Dito ka tuman sa title My Way.
This is originally Ken. Greetings from Ken. Hindi pa daw siya makauwi kasi hindi pa naubos ang dalawang leksyon.
Vibrato. We have customer. One of the judges. It's an awkward, I cannot understand.
Hindi mo ba rinig? This is Ken's song. Parang almost na alam.
Ngayon pa lang, comment ko ay storytelling ay hindi ko maintindihan.
Wala may question?
Kasi wala na lyrics eh. Then I'm feeling my past, but it will be out again. Kaya ito talaga yung ating gagawin.
ngayon po to close this program and Kuya Joseph. Hindi ako dyan siya. Wala to sa natin. Naghaya rin ba isang kanta? Nila kang Rodney. Sige, si Rodney, kanta.
Mukanta ko.
Ayaw din. Si Rodney, mukanta. Palakpakan po natin. Rodney!
Ay, si Ate Grace.
Ate Grace.
Ate Grace.
Ate Grace.
Ate Grace.
Next po nun ay si Kuya Lester.
Ate Grace. Ate Grace.
Ate Grace. Ayaw ko yan.
Ate Grace.
Mismo? Mismo.
While waiting for Ate Grace, announcement, bukas or Monday, kailangan ng tanggalin itong ating mga banderitas. No? At saka yung mga yan kasi ayaw ng visa.